One of the features I'm going to talk about is a feature called guided access. What guided access does is it's a way to kind of lock a student into a specific app, as well as kind of limit what they can or can't do in that app. To do this, if you click on settings, and then underneath general, you're going to have to move the sidebar down so that you can see where it says accessibility. If you click on accessibility, you have an option down by learning that says guided access. And you can see right now it says off, but if you change that to on, you're going to have to enter a passcode. So what you'll do is you'll click set passcode. Just for this one, I'm going to do 111. You'll have to re-enter the passcode. This is going to be the passcode that you'll use to start and stop guided access. With guided access, in order to get it started, you have to triple click the home button. So I'll show you some of the features of this. I'm going to go into the app Google Earth, and with Google Earth, you're going to have to triple click the home button in order to start guided access. So I'm going to click it 3 times, and you can see I get a little screen that pops up that says guided access. Now at the top right, it says that I have start to start it. It also allows me to circle the parts on the screen that I do not want students to play with. So if I take my finger, I can draw a box around the top part of the screen, and it'll put a little grayed out area so that the students can't touch those things at the very top. If you click start, looks the same as what it normally would. The only problem with this setting right now is that if the student hits the home button, you can see it says guided access is enabled, so the student can't get out of this app. If they click the lock screen at the top, same thing pops up. So they can't get out of this app or guided access unless you triple click the home button again. So again, you'll have to tap it 3 times, and even at that point, the student has to know the passcode in order to get out. So I'm going to get out of this, and then I'll click end. The one thing with this is you actually have to start it for them. That way you can kind of highlight the parts that you don't want them to use. But guided access is just a way that you can kind of lock a student into an app. Probably more beneficial for maybe some younger age students that might be tempted to kind of go explore and do some stuff that they shouldn't on some of the apps. So again, that was guided access.